You. Alright, I'm going to do a little walk and talk now. Because I know soon, I tried to do a walk and talk last time, but quickly realised, what's the old quote? Never turn your back to the ocean. Well, yeah, never do one of these near the ocean when it's above 2 metre swell. Mate, when you're close to the water's edge, you've got to be careful. Slab tour, backwash tour, whatever it is, hunt continues. Damn it, there's people camping and sleeping. Alright, check in with you soon. Alright, we're back. I was here the other week and it all happened really quick. I was just checking possibly a few new areas and all of a sudden realised I was in a hectic backwash spot.
Last 2 days have been so hectic. Yeah, the slab chase just continues. More of a backwash slab chase. Like, I can't even leave now because just so many good opportunities. But yeah, that's a wrap. Hope you enjoy it. Kaboom! We smashed it. 2 days of backwash slab hunting last week. I don't know whether I'm going to make a new video or continue on the video, but I'll tell you what, the last 2 days it has been full on genuine slab hunting, where you just don't follow the crowd, you follow your nose and you discover new things. But out of all these videos you're gonna see, I don't know if this is number 1, I don't know if this is number 10. Out of all the nature videos, drone stuff, whatever it is, however you've seen me. The reason how it all started really is doing exactly what I'm doing now. Chasing waves, chasing slabs, getting photos, being with your mates and having a good time. And mate, it's 15 years later, I'm doing the exact same thing. And I'll tell you what, I plan to be doing it in 15 years time. And bro, how good's life, eh? I'm just frothing. Talk about life. Some dude just landed on the headland in a helicopter, whipped out a picnic and just started having a sandwich. And I thought being a drone pilot was cruising. Mate, being a helicopter pilot, he's living the dream. Anyway, that's me for the day. Cheers, legends. Till next time. You. Where I am now, I've just kind of got to look at it for a bit, because you walk around this headland and it does get covered by water. Last time I was here, the swell was bigger, but it was a dropping tide, so I felt a bit more confident. Whereas now the swell's smaller, it's cleaner, and yeah, the water's kind of already coming up to the rocks, so I might have stitched myself up here. But yeah, I guess the safe thing to do is to just watch it for a while. Alright, so in my mind, I'd first thinking I've cooked it. I've just got too much anxiety knowing the tide's rising while I've got to walk around a headland that's already on the sets exposed by the water. The swell's also picking up the tiniest bit, so it's hard to have fun knowing that that's all happening in the background. And even though I feel like I've cooked it, I've realized there's a section over here I've never seen this wave from a different angle, like from a different vantage point before, that I've always wanted to go to. So I'm just gonna follow my nose and see if I can still get to this spot, but just from another vantage point, I guess. So yeah, better be safe than sorry, Rito. It's funny, isn't it? Geez, I underestimated that walk about half an hour ago. Thought I cooked it. Now I'm just like on top of the world. Well, literally, because the edge of this cliff is nuts. But I think you're witnessing history, everyone. Far out where I am now, it's the final chapter. I'm planning to shoot crashing waves, but now I don't even care. Oh, there's crashing waves, there you go. This is freaking sick. Oh, there's massive swell lines, but yeah, there's no way I should have walked around those rocks. There's no way I could have walked around those rocks. Geez, I need to do some my mum makes me M&Ms on a Monday morning. Yeah, there's no way I could have walked around those rocks. So yeah, just before I fly, I've got to have a little quick gander of this area. Oh my god. How is that? Far out, I'm absolutely frothy. Drizzy's going up, even though it's not called Drizzy anymore after Kendrick smashed him. So if anyone's got a new name for the drone, let us know. But yeah, I'm just going up. Life's good. Just like photography, fake it till you make it. I think that's Cracker Asbutt, so sweet. I just want to oh my god, that was just the brand. Far out, I thought I kicked the tripod. That would have been see you later. I do need a new lens, but that's not the way she's gonna go, I'll tell you that. I would say I'm in absolute God's country. I know my mate Godsy thinks Queensland, but I'll tell you what, wherever the sun rises, God's country. Oh, I'm looking pretty rough. That's alright. Oh, we are on. Oh, not much to explain to you guys. Flying a drone, crashing waves. I might just make it look pretty. If something cool happens, I'll check back in, but till then, just... Oh, see, there you go. Freaking eagle. I'm filming some pretty cool shit. So yeah, like I said, well, I was saying, if this eagle decides to land on my shoulder or something, I'll record it. But till then, just... I'm going to hopefully record this nicely with some nice audio and just... Yeah. Mate, this is so nuts. I tell you what, I'm so glad I'm up here and not down there, because I didn't realise how much swell there was. And I'd be freaking out down there. So even though I'm up here, hidden in the little forest, in the bushes, on the edge of a cliff, I feel as safe as it gets. There you go, Mum. I'm putting a lot of faith in that little ball thing, that little whatever. A lot of faith. So I was here the other day, I was sussing out new waves, but I was so distracted by these crashing ones. And not only are the waves like, there's just so much happening. So you've got this one section that hits against the cliff that's just explodes into the sky, and just working out how to film it, because I'm about to be really close to this thing. The drone gets that salty, I know that. It's more just losing reception over this cliff. I'm flying so close to the waves that I actually have to be at the edge of the cliff to kind of keep reception. Oh! See that? Oh, see, there's so much going on. And I'm being a dork about it, I think. I just thought about ticks. Oh, that's it! Geez, I'm right in the spot too. Yeah, nice. Oh, that was hectic. That was actually really psycho. It's really hard to give it justice though with the drone. The power. I feel like I'm not doing it right yet. But as this sun's coming over the headland, the top of the whitewash is going to start being lit up by the sun, and there's something to that, not only when I was taking photos below, but I imagine with the drone, like really focusing on look at the swell. Yeah. Just focusing on the tops that have the sunlight. Alright, so we're gonna go for some red hot shots now, because life's too short. So when I say red hot, I mean I'm gonna get close down to the ocean, semi in a splash zone. So I'll just watch it a bit with the drone from far back, but essentially I want to shoot the crashing waves on the cliff, but there's this mad backwatch section also where the drone's about to fly over, and there's a massive set coming, so this will test us. This is a bit of a gamble right now. Oh, there you go. So that was alright. Risk and reward though, you know, like. Alright, I just wasted an absolute cracker set. Just trying to get the photo settings right, which is what you do. Yeah, for now I want to get some photos because this has got, it's a bit predictable in the spot. Oh, it's the shadow! F***'s sake. Sorry. That was hectic. Sorry guys. Yeah, I just seen these really abstract looking photos when I was getting video, and it just, the video wasn't good enough. And I know I can take a good photo of it. Simple as that. I missed that. See, I've got to go look at it. Oh, wet bum. Oh well. Alright, they're all coming now. The sets are coming. Why am I on ISO 200? Here we go. Nah, crap. Our sun's already a bit higher than I'd like to shoot in. So I might focus in these shadows in a sec. I just seen some really good moments. I've lined up the shot. Mega set coming. Oh shit! Right in the, you bastard. It's like the second or third wave's in a different spot because it fills up a bit more by the ocean. No, I blew that. Blew that. That's alright, that's alright, that's alright. It just feels like you get these sweet spots when the sun's not too high, the wind hasn't picked up yet, swell's booming. So you just don't want to F it up. Yeah, you don't want to F it up, bro. Far out. Oh yeah, sunny's on. These mornings, you just like think you can't top it, and then you do. It's not about topping it, but I guess it's just dropping the expectation. And then I was just in flow state this morning. I didn't realise how far away I walked from my car. But yeah, the power of the ocean, hey? I think I got some awesome photos. Towards the end there, I was getting a little bit nervous. I was flying the drone pretty close. But yeah, some of my best photos are really being too close to waves. And large waves too, so when they explode and catapult, yeah, I guess there's little room for error when it all happens. You know, back in the day I used to fly so low that I would actually fly the drone up as soon as I'd taken the photo, because if I kept the drone in the same spot it would get hit by the wave. Like Surge, one of my award-winning photos that kind of went most popular, that Surge photo, that was as close as you can get to a 10-foot wave breaking on sand. So similar concept, but the difference with that is I really had it dialed then. Because yeah, sometimes it's not actually the whitewash and the wave, it's the explosion after, with the whitewash catapulting into the air and the undertow. Like if that water hits the drone, like a bit of spray is sweet, but yeah, if you cop a big bit of backwash to it, see you later, mate. So the drone's pretty salty today. She definitely worked hard for it. But yeah, that was gangster. I've definitely found my new favourite spot to come to. And as soon as we get a 3 metre plus swell, well, I'm there. Alright, that's me. See you guys. He's doing exactly what I'm doing now. Chasing waves, chasing slabs, getting photos, being with your mates, and having a good time. Mate, it's 15 years later, I'm doing the exact same thing. And I tell you what, I plan to be doing it in 15 years' time.